If you need to update the phone number associated with your Uber account, follow these simple steps to ensure your contact information is current. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Launch the Uber app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your profile settings. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings to view your account details. Step 3. Edit phone number. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Phone Number. Tap on it to begin editing your current phone number. Step 4. Enter new phone number. Delete the old phone number and enter your new phone number. Make sure to double check the number for accuracy to avoid any issues. Step 5. Verify your new number. After entering the new phone number, Uber will send a verification code via SMS. Enter the code in the app to confirm the change and complete the process. Once you have followed these steps, your phone number will be updated in your Uber account. Make sure to keep your contact information current for a seamless experience.